Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare garlic rolls, for which we will need the following ingredients to prepare approximately 10 garlic rolls. 2 cups of plain flour, that is all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of fast action yeast. I have used 1 7-gram sachet of yeast, 75 grams of butter and some freshly chopped coriander leaves or parsley leaves, 6 to 8 large cloves of garlic. If you're using small cloves, you will need at least 10 to 12. If you need a strong flavor, you can increase the number of cloves of garlic, or you can also reduce it if you do not like this flavor. First, in a large bowl, I am going to take the 2 cups of plain flour, that is maida or all-purpose flour, and I am going to add the sugar, salt and yeast to this, and also add about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to this, and mix all the ingredients completely with a spoon. And then I am going to knead this into a dough using warm water. The temperature of the water is very important. If it is too hot, it will kill the yeast, and if it is not warm and if it is cold, it will not activate the yeast. So make sure you use a warm water to knead this dough and knead it into a soft and sticky dough like this. And after it is complete, I am going to cover it with 1 teaspoon of oil so that it does not stick to the fingers or pan. Cover it completely with the oil, and I am going to allow it to double in size. I am going to put it in a separate bowl, and it will take about 1 hour to raise in volume. If you are in a cold place, put it near a heater. I am going to cover it with a damp cloth and allow that to raise. So after 1 hour, my dough has doubled in size. So punch it and bring it back to the original size and keep it aside. Our dough is ready now. Next, to prepare the garlic spread, I am going to take the butter, the freshly chopped coriander leaves or parsley leaves, anything you are using, and also the garlic which I have minced into a fine paste. You can also grate it, but I like to mince it. And I am going to mix all these 3 ingredients completely into a smooth garlic spread, and I am keeping that also ready. Next, I am going to dust my worktop with some flour and take half of the dough that we have prepared, and I am going to roll it out into a flat bread. So take care that you do not roll it very thinly. It should be at least ½ inch in thickness. Try to roll it into either square or rectangle shape, and to this I am going to spread half of the prepared garlic spread, and take care not to spread it to the sides, just spread it in the center, leaving ½ inch in the edges, and start rolling from one side till the other edge is reached like this. And once it is all rolled, I am going to trim the edges and then cut it into 1 to 1.5 inch size pieces, and I am going to line this in a already dusted baking tray, and I am going to bake it in 180 degrees for about 25 to 35 minutes, or until it is golden brown in color at the top, and garlic bread is ready to serve. It is a very delicious dinner roll. It can be served on its own, or you can also use it with any curry of your choice. Try it and you'll really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.